Hi Agathe, welcome to my show. We're from Munsif TV. I'm doing an exclusive for Miss World. So tell me, is this your first time to India?
Yes, namaste.
Namaste to you.
I'm Agathe Cauet from France, and yes, it's my first time here in India and in Telangana, and the welcoming is very amazing here, so thank you so much for everything.
So, but I hear you guys have been very, very busy.
Mm-hmm.
Because we're seeing it in all the news, in the media, so what have you been doing and anything you found interesting in this?
Yes, the schedule is very busy, but we went to the very good place in Telangana, went to Kaminar. I don't know.
Charminar,
yes, sorry. And yes, it was a very beautiful place. We went to AEG,
the hospital, yes.
Hospital, and yesterday to the office, police office.
Okay, right.
So many places and many people with lots of interesting things. Yeah.
Right. So have you also been being able to socialize other than this? Have you gone for any parties? Is that happening as well? Or is it all serious work?
Yes, we went to many party, evening night, and we met a lot of people here. And I think it was very important people in Telangana. So yes, it was very interesting to be here.
So how have you been in, is this your first time in the field of modeling, or have you modeled before? What have you done before?
No, I start my journey with as a nurse. Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Because of my own story, when I was 17, I had a borderline tumor on my right ovary.
Oh.
So that's why I know the feeling when you are in a hospital and when you are sick. So that's why I wanted to become a nurse. And after that, after Miss France, my life changed and I became a model and first runner of Miss France 2023.
Okay.
And now I'm here and I'm very proud to be here to represent my country. It's a very good experience.
Amazing. So you're basically a nurse, so you have hands-on experience of if something happens, you can always get back to taking care of someone's life.
Of course, yes.
What are your plans post this event? Of course, I hope you win. I'm sure all the best to
I hope
that.
Thank you.
Because other than, let's say you win, what happens in France? Like, how does it, like in India?
If I win?
Yeah, usually in India, when the girls win, they get into movies.
Yes,
so
maybe to become an actor. Yeah,
so
it's
does
good.
That happen in France?
It's my dream.
Really?
Yes, really, become an actress. Yeah, and I don't know because it's been a long time in France. The last winner is Denise Perrier, and it was in 1953.
Wow.
Yes. So
if you win, I hope you do. You are going. It's going to be a big, big thing.
Of course. Yes. Yes. I hope. I hope.
Hope so too. Yeah. Do you see anyone as competition? Obviously, I'm sure because everyone is here to compete.
Yes.
So, or do you think anyone is competition, or you think you are better than the others? What do you think?
No, I'm not like this. I mean, here all the girls are pretty. All the girls are here for a reason. So I don't know. It's just you can do the best, and we will see after. For me, it's like this. And yes, it's a competition, but above all, it's I'm here to good experience, to share with other, to meet other girls with other culture, and yes, that's the most important thing. I think it's.
And you're doing that. You're obviously meeting girls from so many different countries. So the exchange of cultures is happening.
Yes,
I guess. Yeah.
Yes, very good.
So I hope you're having a memorable time, and you will be taking that back with you, the memories of all this, right? So in France, you know, how is the modeling? Obviously, France is one of the fashion capitals of the world.
Paris.
So I guess career for somebody who comes out of this, you know, like you said, girls haven't won from France for a long time. But surely when they go back, there is a big career in the modeling world, right?
Yes.
Or not so much in the movies. What is more?
It's more about influence, I think, in the social media. I don't know if you know Iris Mittenard is the winner of Miss Universe.
Okay.
No, in 2016. And yes, she won Miss Universe, and now she is very, very famous in France. And yes, she has a lot of opportunity with good brands, you know, with I don't know, on the social media. And now she creates the our brands, and yeah, I think it's very good for the career, yes.
So that means one way or another, it is great.
Yeah, of course,
it's great. Yeah,
yes.
Nice.
But I think the most important thing in Miss World is not just about beauty. It's also a platform to make difference and to inspire others. And for me, yes, the most important thing is to be an example for others and be a symbol of hope for children in hospital, and yes, be a symbol of resilience. I think it's.
And obviously, you have done that. I mean, you've been involved even before you started your modeling work.
Yes.
You were involved with, nursing and that side of. Tell me something other than this. I can see that you want to create a change, and obviously, Miss World is not just about beauty, like you said. It is about character, how the person is, and what you can do. If you were had a free hand to do whatever you could, what would you really want to do? Like.
Yes.
You, Agathe, the person, other than the good-looking girl, if you remove that, what does Agathe, the person, want to do?
Yeah, if I have, I don't know, a magic
wand.
Yeah, magic wand. I will want to delete diseases.
Wow. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. For me, when you are in good health, you have everything, and you can do everything that you want. And I know when you are sick, it's the only thing that you want is to be in good health. And that's why I want to bring support. I want to help children for pediatric concerts. It's very difficult time for there and for the families, and I want to be here for this. Yeah. So
especially for the children.
Yes.
You wish the children didn't have.
Yes,
they were
because
not ill.
Yes, when I was 17, I know I went to the pediatric service, and I saw the children without hair, without, and yes, it was very hard moments. Yeah.
That's amazing, beautiful. I really hope you win, Agathe.
Thank you so much.
Miss France for Miss World, hopefully. Let's see. All the best to you.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure talking to you.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
Thanks.